Brody diesel SUVs aren't really known for having the best tech inside them, but we are in 2024 and things are changing at quite a pace. And what I have with me is a perfect example of just that, the new Tata Safari, where Tata has managed to pack a lot of tech inside this car, which sometimes makes sense, sometimes it's downright inconvenient. So let's take a quick look at the tech inside the new Tata Safari. सबसे पहले I would like to talk about the connected LED headlamps and tail lamps. Now these aren't only very good quality and have very powerful throw, they also do a little bit of dance when you lock or unlock the car, which looks quite cool. In fact, I have had this car for about a week now and I still wait for the car to do its little light dance every time I step out or step in the car. And my friends, there's cameras everywhere. There's two cameras on each of the outer rear view mirrors. There's one camera at the front, there's one camera at the back for the reverse, and there is also an extra camera in the ADAS module of the car. Talking about ADAS, we get level 2 ADAS, which gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic collision mitigation system, and the car alerts you every time you step out of the lane or are getting too close to an obstacle ahead of you. The automatic collision mitigation system brakes the car in case you're not able to brake in time and the car spots an obstacle in front of you. Rear की बात कर रहे हैं तो there is a cool thing about this electronic tailgate as well. We have seen electronic tailgates, but this one also opens with gestures. So if you are carrying something in your hands or if you have a lot of stuff to put in this rather small boot with the 3-row seats, you can just wave your leg under the car and it will close or open on its own. Now that this is the modern SUV from Tata, there's so many cool elements in this car that I honestly cannot keep a count of. सबसे पहले, the moment you open the door to get inside the car, the driver's seat will lower itself to welcome you inside the car. And once you are inside the car and close the door, the seat will elevate back itself into your driving position. Wow. So अंदर आ गए हैं and काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे भी. There's so much tech again that if I'm not able to cover it in my full video, please let me know. First of all, infotainment system है. 10.25 इंच का यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले मिलता है. काफ़ी बढ़िया डिस्प्ले है. We have a very crisp display, very clear, very bright. बहुत धूप में अभी हम बैठे हुए हैं and I can see everything clearly, so that is great. At times the display glitches out, of course. काफ़ी बार होता है मैं कॉल पे हूँ and I've disconnected the call, but then the screen is still showing me that the call is going on. At times my audio just goes off completely or my music just goes off completely because of some alert in the car, and then it's really tough to get it back unless you switch off the car and then switch it back again. There are many reasons why this could have been happening. Maybe it's a software thing, maybe it's something with the display, maybe it's an issue with the camera, but nevertheless overall this is a very good infotainment system. It's super slick, it's super responsive, and it's super bright and crisp at the same time. अब Android Auto, Apple CarPlay के अलावा of course this is also the place where you have all your car settings. आप अपना interior lighting adjust कर सकते हैं, अपना exterior lighting के controls आपके यहाँ पे हैं. You have your ADAS controls here, you have Amazon Alexa here. All the car settings basically are accessible from this 10.25 inch infotainment system. There's also this fully digital instrument cluster, और यहाँ पे भी there is so much to talk about that I might just miss out on a few things. So सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ पे अपना RPM and speed दिखता है. Then there's all your alerts, your parking brake alert, your temperature, your service alert, your fuel gauge. Then on the other hand, there's different things you can bring up on this display. For example, you can bring up your instant fuel efficiency, you can bring up your distance to empty screen, you can bring up your odometer and trip meter. Then you can also bring up the driver assist controls. आपके ADAS control settings सारे यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. Then you can also see an attention alert which shows you how attentive the driver is. इसके बाद हमें vehicle info मिल जाता है, diesel exhaust fluid मिल जाता है, हमें power और torque output मिल जाता है, हमें टायर प्रेशर मॉनिटर यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे मिल जाता है, हमें जी फोर्स मीटर इस स्क्रीन पे मिल जाता है, हमें सर्विस रिमाइंडर इस स्क्रीन पे मिल जाता है. देन देयर इज नेविगेशन ऑल्सो. सो इफ यू हैव योर फोन कनेक्टेड विद द एंड्रॉयड ऑटो और एप्पल कारप्ले, नेविगेट अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो आपका मैप फ्रॉम द गूगल मैप्स कैन ऑल्सो शो अप ऑन दिस डिस्प्ले, विच इज एक्चुअली वेरी हेल्पफुल. आई हैव यूज्ड इट एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. You can also see your media on this, you can see ongoing calls, you can see notifications, and you can also adjust this dynamically according to your taste and preference. तो अब आ जाते हैं स्टीयरिंग व्हील पे. और भाई देखो, स्टीयरिंग व्हील पहले तो डिज़ाइन, it looks inspired from the Range Rover. This is a very Range Rover like steering, be it the color scheme or be it the kind of stitching we have or be it the spokes on the steering. They all remind you of a Range Rover, which is not at all bad. प्लस सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ इसकी लगती है, देयर इज़ नो लोगो हियर, देयर इज़ नथिंग, इट्स जस्ट एन LED टाटा साइन विच लाइट्स अप द मोमेंट यू टर्न ऑन द कार। तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपका ये कभी डिम नहीं होगा या आपका ये कभी शाइन नहीं जाएगा टाटा के लोगो पे। द हॉर्न I would say is a little inconvenient in my opinion because you never know where to press and at times, now this car is a little old but before this I was testing the Harrier also और उसमें ना यहाँ पे दब नहीं रहा था, so at times you have to press the airbag button or like where the airbag is written to just honk on this car. Takes a while to get used to. Then of course steering पे हमें और कंट्रोल्स भी मिलते हैं, हमें आपका क्रूज कंट्रोल मिल जाता है, हमें यहाँ पे आपका वर्चुअल कॉकपिट का सेटिंग्स वाला बटन मिल जाता है, वी हैव वॉल्यूम बटन्स, वी हैव कॉल बटन्स, वी हैव द वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट बटन, वी हैव द बैटरी बटन विच शोज यू आपके डिवाइस में कितना बैटरी है ऑन द डिजिटल इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर. देयर इज ऑल्सो द ड्राइवर असिस्ट फीचर विच टर्न्स ऑन और ऑफ द ADAS फीचर्स एंड देन देयर इज ऑल्सो दिस extra button which when I press it, it shows the feature shall be available shortly. So what is that about Tata? And talking about things that do not make sense, my friends, there is a touch panel on the dashboard और यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे सच में टच में नहीं पसंद है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वुड से दिस एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस कि भाई AC कंट्रोल्स, वॉल्यूम एंड ब्लिंकर्स शुड ऑलवेज बी एनालॉग बटन्स बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू डाइवर्ट आवर अटेंशन व्हाइल वी आर ड्राइविंग द कार. एंड प्लस देयर इज ऑल्सो नो फीडबैक इन दीज बटन्स, मतलब कोई हैप्टिक फीडबैक वगैरह भी नहीं है. सो आई वुड नेवर नो व्हेन आई प्रेस द बटन अनलेस आई सी एंड डू इट ऑन माई ओन विच इज़ नॉट रियली कन्वीनियंट. एट द सेम टाइम लॉक अनलॉक बटन भी इस गाड़ी में आपको टच से करना पड़ती है. गाड़ी लॉक अनलॉक 360 डिग्री व्यू भी आपको टच पे लेना पड़ता है. द ओनली एनालॉग थिंग ऑन दिस होल थिंग इज द डुअल जोन क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल कंट्रोल्स. सो आपका क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल वगैरह के लिए एनालॉग है. एंड देन थिंग्स डू मेक सेंस ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स वॉल्यूम के लिए इफ आई वॉन्ट द एनालॉग थिंग आई हैव an analog button on my steering wheel for locking and unlocking the car. Also if I just unlock it in the most traditional way possible तो गाड़ी अनलॉक हो जाती है. बट द ओनली थिंग इज दैट ब्लिंकर्स और AC के फैन की स्पीड के लिए आपके पास यहाँ पे कुछ भी एनालॉग नहीं है विच इज़ सुपर इनकन्वीनियंट. एंड माई फ्रेंड्स वी आर स्टिल नॉट डन, वी आर नॉट इवन क्लोज टू द अमाउंट ऑफ टेक दैट दिस कार हैज़. सो सबसे पहले वायरलेस चार्जर आपको आगे मिल जाता है. यू गेट your USB A and C ports both. You get this very nice and very nicely finished aluminium drive selector which has a display that shows you कि आप कौन से मोड में हैं. There are 3 modes that we can choose from which is normal, wet and rough. There is also buttons for hill hold and hill descent assist. There is button for the sport mode and there is a button for the economy mode. There is this stick shift which of course gives you the gears for your car and we have the auto hold button and the electronic parking brake button on this center console. So seats, अभी यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा टेक है. आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एडजस्टेबल सीट्स मिलती हैं, 6 वे इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एडजस्टेबल सीट्स. यू गेट वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, यू गेट मेमोरी, 3 मेमोरी फंक्शंस एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट द पैसेंजर सीट विच इज़ ऑल्सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एडजस्टेबल. पीछे की सीट्स जो हैं आपके सेकेंड रो सीट्स में भी आपको वेंटिलेशन मिलता है. सो देयर इज़ वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स फॉर द सेकेंड रो पैसेंजर्स एज वेल. एंड माई फ्रेंड्स द panoramic sunroof which looks absolutely beautiful. We also have this ambient lighting on this dashboard and it's also there on the roof lining and it's also there on the door handles. And my friends, जो door handles का आपका ambient light है that is synced to your music's beats, so that looks really cool. And of course there is the cooled glove box. आपको center armrest storage में भी एक कूलर मिलता है. इसमें आपको मिलता है USB A and USB C ports and we also get the 12 volt adapter so you can plug in your accessories or your chargers or your lighters, whatever you may prefer. अभी second row seats are honestly my favorite place in this car because first of all यहाँ भी हमें ventilated seats मिल जाती हैं. We are in the top end variant of course, so there is captain seats as you can see. इसके अलावा हमें यहाँ पे भी USB A and USB C ports मिलते हैं and there is enough storage for you to store at least 2 bottles and your devices and gadgets whatever you may be carrying. There is a phone storage, a little bit of storage here. There is of course the pockets in your front seats. There's a very nicely placed slot where you can comfortably put your smartphone and it actually fits, like my smartphone perfectly fits in this slot, so that's really cool. उसके नीचे हमें bottle storage वगैरह मिल जाता है and the sunshade also is there in this top end variant. And it's not just the second row that's a good space to be in, even the third row right here is a very good space to be in. There is enough space for a small person like myself and Like the second row, we get enough storage for you to store your stuff. There is cup holders in the third row. There is also USB-A and USB-C ports in the third row as well. So you get enough conveniences in all three rows of passengers. And while I'm talking about the comforts of the passengers, it's important to also mention the speaker system. यहाँ पे हमें मिलता है 9 speaker JBL surround sound system, जिसमें 5 speakers मिलते हैं और 4 tweeters मिलते हैं. And my friends, the audio quality is very good. It's at least one of the best that I have seen in the recent cars that I have tested in the past couple of months. आ जाते हैं सेफ्टी फीचर्स पे, और सेफ्टी फीचर्स इस गाड़ी में काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं. Like I mentioned, we get level 2 ADAS, which gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic collision mitigation system and other safety features. इसके साथ we get the 360 degree camera, which is amazing in quality. मतलब बहुत अच्छी sharp crisp image आती है. There is no lag, and then there is also options for you to view your car in a 2D or a 3D environment, and the 3D wala option actually looks very cool, but it's not the most convenient. I usually prefer the 2D view because that looks a bit more realistic. And we get 7 airbags with the new Tata Safari. 7 airbags मतलब 2 आपको front में मिलते हैं, 2 आपको driver knee में मिलते हैं. There is the side curtain airbag, and then there is also the side chest airbag. In total we get 7 airbags. There are also blind spot detectors, and the car also alerts you if you have something in your blind spot. So that was a quick overview of all the tech that you get inside the new and updated Tata Safari. The car starts at a price of just under 20 lakh rupees for the base variant and goes all the way up to about 32 lakhs for the top end variant. So let us know what you think about the new Tata Safari in the comments section, and follow Digit for more tech inside more cars.